Hello, in this video I want to show you how to uninstall Google Chrome from Asus Tuf Gaming laptop. To do this we'll need to open our Start, then select the settings. Here go for the apps, and in the first tab, apps and features, we'll need to find our Google Chrome. Here it is, click on it and then select uninstall, confirm it, then proceed with the setup. Again, proceed with the setup. And when it's removed, you can close the browser and yep, it's gone from our PC. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.